Today you'll learn how to set up a budget that only takes 5 minutes each month to manage. We're sharing an easy way to do it and a free budget tracking sheet in the description below. If it feels like your money is disappearing, this video will help you fix that right now. Most people don't budget, not because they can't, but because they need help getting started. A budget sounds strict and uncomfortable. However, it is really you setting up rules for how much to spend on different things. This is the easiest way to improve your financial life, today and in the future. Let's tackle your budget issues with these simple steps. 1. Set your goal. The number one reason people fail to stick to their budget is that it feels like a punishment. This isn't a punishment. You are budgeting so that you can accomplish a specific goal. Some examples are reducing stress, paying down debt, supporting a loved one, or paying for school. Take a moment and pause this video to write down just one personal goal you are focused on achieving. 2. Track your income and expenses. Write down all of your income, the money you earn, from your primary job, including side hustle. Then write down everything you spend money on, your expenses. Yes, everything. This will help you see exactly where your money is going. A helpful tip is to look at your bank account or credit card account and look at the past 2 to 3 months to help see the average cost for your common spending. This is a great time to pause and download our free budget tracking sheet. This provides a place to input and easily update all of your information. The personal monthly budget is like a big plan for how you use your money each month. It starts with your main income, which is all the money you expect to earn in a month. Extra income is any additional money you get from things like a side job. At the end of the month, you look at how much money you actually received and how much you spent to see if you stayed on track. If your income changes each month, you can average it out. For example, if you earned $5,000 one month, $4,500 the next month, and $5,500 the following month, you add those amounts together and then divide by 3 to get an average income of $5,000. Next, you look at your expenses, which is all the money you spent. You compare your projected or planned expenses to your actual expenses. This helps you see if you spent more or less than you planned. If you spent less than you earned, you have extra money, which is good because you can save it. For example, if you plan to have $900 left over after expenses but actually have $600 left, that's still good because you have more money than you spent. If you have extra money, you should plan where to put it, like saving it or using it for something important. You also look at specific categories like gas and food. Maybe you spent $25 more on gas and $200 more on food than you planned. Spending more isn't bad. It just helps you learn and plan better next time. This budget can be customized for you. You can use a computer program like Excel or Google Sheets to keep track. If you don't have those, you can print it out and write it by hand. Each month you update your budget, making a new copy for the next month and adjusting it based on what you learned. This way, you can always know where your money is going and make sure you're using it wisely. Use the zero-based budget rule. Zero-based budgeting is when your income minus your expenses equals 0. There are other methods, but they depend on having more income than expenses, which is hard with the growing high cost of living. We want a simple plan we can follow that works no matter how much we make or spend. To understand a zero-based budget, here is an example. If you make $3,000 a month, everything you give, save, or spend should add up to $3,000. Every dollar has a purpose, a job, a goal. Nothing is left over or wasted, but I want to be clear. A zero-based budget doesn't mean you have $0 in your bank account. It just means your income minus all your expenses equals 0. When budgeting, we are listing our savings as an expense to get to 0, meaning we are accounting for all of your income. Savings. The goal is to spend less than you earn, which is not always possible. However, if you cut out some unnecessary spending, you will be surprised that you feel the same and now have extra cash. The next step is to make your money grow without risk. You can do this by opening a high-yield savings account so that your cash is working for you. I have partnered with SoFi because they are a simple-to-use bank with great interest rates to grow your money. The best part is, if you open an account with them, using my link below in the description, you can get up to $325 from them. Even if you don't qualify for the bonus, SoFi is a great bank to use because most other banks give lower interest rates and have lots of fees. Remember, managing your money doesn't have to be complicated. These simple tips will make a big difference in your financial health and future security. By following these steps, you can take control of your finances, save more, and plan for a bright future. Imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing your money is working for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your money. See you next time.